Okay, now we're going to be looking at 1.4 types of computer. So the first computer we're going to be looking at is the desktop and a personal computer. So computers used to be huge and would take up a lot of space. This was in the early 80s. So desktop personal computers were created and were small enough to fit on a desk. So that's where the name comes from. So the computer can fit on a desk. So these computers were cheap and affordable for the public. Desktop computers normally have a separate monitor, keyboard, mouse and speakers. Okay, so let's look at the advantages, or let's look at this information here, standalone. So it can be used as a standalone computer in your home for your personal or work use. Desktop computers can also be found in offices or in a school environment. So it tends to be connected to its own printer or internet connection, or can be used in a networked environment. If it's used in a networked environment, resources can be shared, files can be shared, drives, storage can be shared, and it can be used for online gaming. So this is a typical type of computer found in an office or school environment. The second type of computer we're going to be looking at is a laptop computer. So laptop refers to a computer where all the components, monitor, keyboard, etc. are together on a single device. The main advantage of a laptop computer is that it is portable and can connect wirelessly to a network connection. So here we have some examples of laptops. So it can be used for either personal or work use, completing work, communication, gaming. So on a network, it can connect to the internet, can be used to share resources, files, drive, storage, online gaming as well. Okay, so the tablet computer. So very similar to the smartphone, they have an internet. They can connect to the internet via a wireless connection. Tablets make use of a touchscreen technology to select options from a menu. Applications can be downloaded and installed. Sensors including speech recognition. So tablets are able to connect wirelessly. Users are able to use the internet on the move as long as they're within the range. So 3G or 4G is a mobile communications internet connection. So users can be connected to the internet whilst moving around on their tablets, or can be connected to a network connection whilst moving around. Okay, the smartphone. Smartphones can use traditional methods to make phone calls and send messages using the mobile networks. Smartphones have operating systems which allows them to run multiple applications. Like the tablet, smartphones have many features including touchscreen technology. They can connect wirelessly to the internet. They include sensors, cameras. So the use of a smartphone to obviously make phone calls, to send text messages, as well as receiving and sending emails, browsing the internet, using a voice over internet protocol, so applications like WhatsApp or Viber to make voice or video calls, streaming music or video content, communication using applications, social media, and also maybe to help you navigate, so using your global positioning system. So what you need to know for these types of computers is the advantage and disadvantage. So the desktop personal computer is always connected to the main, so there's no chance of the battery running out. Monitors can come in different sizes. It's easier to upgrade as parts are easily replaced. Tends to have a higher specification than laptop computers. The disadvantage is the desktop computer is not portable, takes up more desk space. Separate components are required, like the keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers. Loose cables could be a trip hazard. So the laptop computer is portable due to its small size and weight. Battery can be recharged, can connect wirelessly to the internet or network connection. No loose cables, as all components connected together. So the only cable you may have is the battery cable, which is connected to the main power source. So the disadvantage is the battery life is limited. Laptops are difficult to repair and upgrade, as all of the components are built into the system. Can be stolen or lost. Some users may find it difficult to use a pointing device using a touchpad. Okay, the tablet computer. High definition anti-glare display, can connect wirelessly, 3G, 4G and Bluetooth connections. Data can be backed up or synchronized with other devices. It uses touchscreen technology, and battery life is typically longer than a mobile phone or smartphone. The advantage also is the tablet computer is more portable compared to a laptop computer. The disadvantage is it's a limited memory compared to laptops, expensive to use, maybe 3G or 4G internet. Typing can be more difficult compared to using a normal keyboard on a desktop computer or compared to a laptop computer. Not all files are compatible with tablets. So for example, videos or animations in a Flash SWF format may not work on a tablet computer. So the smartphone is the most portable computer. It's small in size and easier to carry around. Can be used whilst on the move using wireless or 3G, 4G connectivity. Again uses touchscreen technology. Disadvantage is the small screens make it difficult to read or to watch a movie or a video clip. Battery life is shorter compared to tablets. Could be misplaced or could be stolen. Limited storage memory compared to other types of computers. Slower data transfer rates as well. So each computer has its advantage and also each computer has its disadvantage. So